How to delete Claude chat history in seconds. Alright, let's dive in. So first of all, just open your Claude app, whether it's on desktop or web browser. Alright, now go on the left side on top, click on open sidebar. Alright, here click on chats. Now click on select chats right over here and select whatever chat you want to delete. So I'm going to select this one. Now after that, click on delete. Okay, click on delete and this chat will be deleted, as you can see. Now if you want to delete a specific chat, just click on the search icon, select that chat, search that chat. So I'm gonna search keyword. Okay, I want to delete this one. Click on these three dots, click on delete and just click on delete. So that's how you can delete chats in Claude AI. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.